Suedchemy India Limited, established as CCI WA, had a humble beginning on the coastline of Kochi, founded by Altaf Lalji and his brother Fazal Lalji in 1969. Today, it has grown to become a leading catalyst manufacturer in India, supplying globally. The merger of CCI USA with Girdler Catalysts in 1979 led to the renaming of the company to United Catalysts India Limited. In the year 2000, UCIL was renamed to Suedchemy India after Suedchemy AG of Germany acquired 50% holding of UCIL from SEI USA. In the year 2011, Suedchemy India became a part of the Swiss specialty chemicals major Clariant International.
In 1969, when the company was established, India was relying on imports to fulfill its demand for catalysts. Our founders envisioned the need for a state-of-the-art catalyst manufacturing plant to fulfill the gap. So, Suedchemy India was born. We stand by our vision of catalysts for sustainability to deliver tangible value for our customers.
What began as a plant to manufacture catalysts for the fertilizer industry progressively extended its activities to various process applications through innovation in the field of catalysts. In the year 1976, the company expanded its operations to Vadodara to meet the growing demand generated by commissioning of several fertilizer plants.
We employ the best manufacturing practices and high-quality standards while maintaining safety and consistency. Our extensive research and development in catalysis is aimed at making processes more efficient, consume less natural resource, and reduce emissions for a better tomorrow.
These innovations have not only contributed to the company's high market share, but have also enabled Suedchemy to become a credible partner in providing high-performance catalysts with world-class quality, setting standards of excellence in customer satisfaction across the globe. The company exports 70% of its production to more than 50 countries.
Suedchemy India started its activities manufacturing high-temperature shift catalyst. Today, we are not only manufacturing full range of catalyst, but also export our products across the world for a variety of industries like refinery, petrochemicals, fertilizer, specialty chemicals, as well as automobile industry. Over the past decade, our company has grown at a CAGR of 11.5%, which was made possible by highly motivated and passionate and committed team. Reliable systems, work culture and ethics have evolved from the employees and is implemented in a committed and entrepreneurial way.
It offers perfect work-life balance, and you can see positivity everywhere across the organization.
We are a highly customer-focused organization. We provide best quality products with cost-effective and value-added services with customized solutions.
While it excels in the areas of technology, environment and safety, sustainability and social responsibility always remain at the forefront of its activities.
Our founders believed in creating performance technology for a sustainable future, and we are proud to carry forward their legacy.
With steady and sustainable growth, the company with a turnover of over $140 million is celebrating its golden jubilee in 2019.